No.
Okay, so we are moving on to types of energy. So can you tell me what is energy? How can we apply the force in our to do some actions? How can we apply the force? Simply we cannot apply the force, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So if you want to apply the force, what we should have? What we should have?
Energy.
Energy. We should have energy. So what is energy? The something which help you to do work. Therefore, energy is the capacity to do work. As I have written on the board like that, energy is the capacity to do work. Energy is the capacity to do work. And since energy is the capacity to work, we can say that work done and energy both are same. Both are same. Okay. Since capacity to do work is energy, we can say work done and energy both are same. Therefore, SI unit of energy is joule. SI unit of energy is joule. Okay. Now, my dear students, one by one can give me one name of energy. Starting from Vishnu. Vishnu, give me one name of energy. Because we have a plenty of energy in our daily life. We use this in different format. Can you tell me, Vishnu?
No.
Huh?
I know.
Fizan, I'll come back to you. Let others speak. Vishnu, tell me if you solar energy. Correct, Lena? Lena has given me answer. Okay.
Kinetic energy.
Yes, Rachel Boban, correct. Kinetic energy, good. Isha, another energy.
Muscular energy.
Muscular energy, correct. Nabil, another energy.
Gravitational energy.
Okay. Raya already given another mechanical energy. Okay. Fizan, give me another energy, please. Vishnu, you can send it in the chat box. If your audio is not working, you can send in the chat box. Fizan, give me another name of energy. You said you know it.
Yes, ma'am.
Forgot.
No,
Already.
one. Kinetic.
Okay. Aaron, tell me another type of energy.
Sound energy.
Yeah, very good. Sound energy. Navaneet, give me another.
Physical energy.
Yeah, very good. Physical energy. Anuj, can you send the message? Your video is stuck, but you can give me the answer. I hope so. Rachel George, correct.
Energy. Electrical energy.
Correct. Electric energy. Very good. Noble, can you tell me another one? Noble. Noble, come online. Give another energy. From the sun, what type of energy we get? I'll give you a clue. Give me that.
Light energy.
Light energy. That is Nihal told me. Noble, can you tell me another energy? In battery, what type of energy we are having? In battery. Roshan, can you tell me?
And power.
Power. What do you call that energy in a battery?
Power energy.
Battery are connected to chemistry. So what type of energy it will have? When a mobile charge, what energy will be in the battery? Electrical energy.
Electricity.
Electrical energy, but it will be converted into some another form, no?
Yes,
When
ma'am.
you charge the mobile.
Negative.
Positive energy.
Positive.
Positive energy.
What you call little more? Come
And
related to
chemical energy.
chemical energy. That's what I have given you clue. Correct? Chemical energy. Okay. Sweta, can you give me another energy? Fan is rotating. What energy it is having?
Frictional energy.
Which energy? Fan, for what we are using, Sweta? Fan to get?
Wind energy.
Wind energy.
Ma'am, nuclear energy.
Nuclear energy, atomic energy. Good, good, good. Correct. Very good.
Ma'am, frictional energy.
Frictional energy. Okay, okay. Okay. Water. What energy we get, Salbin? Maria Salbin. In water, what type of energy we get it? Flowing water. What you call for that energy? Agna. Okay, Agna saying something correct. Okay. You tell me another form. Energy of the water. What do you call for that? Maria Salbin. What is the energy of the water we call? Simple. Connect water and energy. What you will get?
Ma'am, I know.
Tell now.
Water energy.
Water energy. Water energy. Ocean. Oceanic waves. What energy we have? Oceanic waves.
Ocean energy.
Water energy.
Oceanic
Water
waves.
energy. Waves. Waves. Can you get the name waves?
Waves
What do you call
energy.
for that?
Tide energy.
Tidal energy. Okay. Tidal energy. Wave energy. Yeah. Sound energy, light energy, so many energies. Okay. So these all are different forms of energy. Heat energy. No one told me heat energy. Okay. Heat energy. So all these are different forms of energy. Okay. Good. So we are moving on to that types of energy. Kinetic energy, chemical energy, electric energy, heat energy, light energy, nuclear energy, sound energy, all that. Okay. Everything is there. Then we have, so these are radiant energy. Sun energy we can call radiant energy, thermal energy. Okay. Magnet we have magnetic energy. Okay. So all are different forms of energy. Okay. Now, all these are, we are calling as energy in terms of the situation. In terms of the situation, we call all this type. Regarding light, we say energy is light energy. Regarding food you eat, it is the chemical energy. So when you eat chemical energy, when you eat the food get digested. Food get digested, it turns into chemical energy. And when you start doing some work, that chemical energy converting into your muscular energy. So depending upon the situations, when you iron the clothes, what happened? Can you tell me, when you iron the clothes, what is the conversion between electrical energy? Iron box is working. Electric energy converted into
Heat energy.
heat energy. So that means all are same energy, but only conversion. That is what conservation law of energy we already learned in second chapter. Force and laws of motion, I taught you. Conservation law of momentum also I taught you. Conservation law of energy. Anyone remember conservation law of energy? Not momentum, law of energy. Anyone remember? About something, energy. Energy cannot be something like that. Anyone remember that? Yeah, Rachel, sonic energy, good. Yeah. Anyone remember that law of energy, what I taught you? Anyone? Energy neither be?
Zero.
Positive or negative.
Zero.
No. Okay, you are coming little. Energy neither be?
Positive or negative.
Little more, a little more clear.
Zero. Or zero.
Negative.
No. Neither be created. Do you remember now? Energy neither be created nor be
Destroyed.
Yes, the energy neither be created nor be destroyed. It only transforms from one form to another. That is the conservation law of energy. So we are having various forms of energy only because of this law. That is, energy neither be created nor be destroyed. Either we cannot create, we cannot destroy. But what energy does? It only transforms. So when I speak, I am not using any separate energy. My muscular energy, I am converting that into sound energy. So when I speak, you are able to hear me. How? When, when I speak, my muscular energy is converting into sound energy, and sound energy further converting into electrical energy. That is why you are able to hear me. You are very far away from me, but you are able to hear me through this wire, because whatever sound energy, it is converting into electrical energy and then come back to your ear through the loudspeaker or through the speaker or through the headphone. So what is another conversion is taking place? My muscular energy into sound energy to electrical energy. When it reaches to your ear, again electrical energy converting into sound energy. So same energy, they are not different. They are not different time. They are different forms of energy. Same energy, different form. You can make ourselves different shape. You can cut your hair, make yourself something different. You can make a spikes. Boys can make a spikes here. Sometimes you can keep like this, no? Oh, yo, like spikes. Huh? Sometimes you can make yourself mota. That means you can remove the hair. Even whatever you do, like girls, some girls are lot of long hair. They can become modern after cutting all the hair, putting the clothes, something different and all. See, whatever you do, but you are the same person. You are the same Nabil. You are the same Roshan. You are same Angelo. You are the same Eva. Whatever changes make in your body, it doesn't tells you you are different. Yes, your dress is different. Your beauty, whatever you made, your hairstyle is different, dressing style is different. And you can see in TV and all, the serial actors put a lot of makeup and come what looks so bad actually, but then also same person, whether they put the makeup or not, same person. So this is how energy also, this is how energy also related to us. That means same energy, but it takes a different form. So that is what we already learned in 8th standard. Heat is a form of energy, sound is a form of energy, sound is a vibrational energy. So many things we have learned, correct? So these all things, because of only it changes the form, everything is same. Okay, now let us go back to thing. So that is different forms of energy. But now we are not going to learn that forms of energy. You only have to learn the name of that energies. Some examples. But mainly for us, we are going to study kinetic energy and potential energy. These are the two energy we have to study in detail. Why? Because electrical energy, sound energy, heat energy, everything is related to kinetic and potential. That means we can have energy mainly two types. Even there are different forms of energy, but still in nature we have two types of energy depending upon the motion, because our first chapter is motion. So similarly, now we are going to learn some important two types of form of energy, that is kinetic energy. So simply we can say, if you look at this uh, dragon, okay, you already know giant wheel and all these things. How many have been gone for it? Can you raise your hands? Raise your hands for, yeah. Only one person. You have this, giant wheel and then dragon. Some they are having a long ship they have bought and it goes up.
Yes,
Did you?
ma'am.
What you call riding sledge. Yeah.
You are going up dragon.
Rider. Okay, tell me now. How many have gone for it? Just raise your hands. Isha is gone. Okay. By the way, Isha, I'll congratulate Isha because she's the only person who submitted art integration to me now. What about others? Did you forget about what we have to do? Yeah? I told you, don't send in my WhatsApp. It should be in the email. I have given the email in that. Do you forget? WhatsApp, I have sent the email. Your
Ma'am,
power, your PowerPoint presentation should be in my mail because I cannot open in my WhatsApp. That's it. So in 9B, one Isha has sent me, and in 9A, Muhammad Aman. So far, no one has given. Time is running now. November 23rd.
what?
What? Go and check your WhatsApp. Where I told you activity.
Yes, ma'am.
What was that? What was that? Anyone remember the activity what I given?
That last year, no?
Last year, no, this year. This year PowerPoint presentation, art integration. Anyone can tell me? Isha will tell me now. Isha, tell me what was that, Isha? You send me. Send, no? Krishna, absent. Even I am absent. That is not the reason, Krishna. Recorded class is there. Teachers are given you. Please
Can
go.
we send it in WhatsApp?
Air pollution.
Can we send it in WhatsApp?
PPT. It's a
Yeah.
PowerPoint presentation, not assignment, okay? It's a slide, just like how we teachers are showing the slide. See, these are, see the slides. These are very less writing and pictures. That is what meant by PowerPoint. Don't give me an assignment and give to me, okay? So all the teachers are showing you PowerPoint. I want the PowerPoint presentation of air pollution. Air pollution, forest conservation, because we have...
I want to prepare.
You have to prepare like the slide related to that. And I also told you that it should be connected with the Himachal Pradesh. After explaining what is air pollution, write the causes of air pollution. Then you have to give me the amount of air pollution in Himachal Pradesh and amount of air pollution in Kerala in a year. If you check in the internet, you will get that data. So I want this kind of PowerPoint presentation. That's what we wanted.
When is the presentation?
It should be before your Christmas vacation. Those who forgot my email, I am sending to you. LiselDixon@gmail.com. Don't send it in my WhatsApp because everyone's PowerPoint presentation 17 pages and or summons. Isha's there, Aman. So it's not easy for me to open in WhatsApp. It takes a lot of GB. So please send in my mail. If you those who don't know how to send, ask your father or mother or sister or something. How can we send the PPT? All are having Androids, no? All are having smart boards. It is very easy for you to send. Not a big thing. Okay. Shall we continue with the class? Now, November 23rd. I wanted before December because month of January, we are coming for revision and final exam and all that. No time for it. We have to complete before Christmas vacation. I have to check it. I have to if you CBSE asking the sample, then we have to send it. That's what I'm telling. It's an art integrated project. That's why it's a PowerPoint presentation. Okay. Okay, so shall we go to what we are learning? So, what is kinetic energy? We are going to study detailed kinetic energy. A form of energy that a body in motion possesses. Okay, or I can simply say energy possessed by possessed by a moving body. Energy possessed by a moving body is known as kinetic energy. Or simply you can say energy is in motion. So don't write that answer in the exam. Energy possessed by a body. So energy possessed by a body in motion. So that is known as kinetic energy. So I told you electric energy, everything is something, some way or other, it's a kinetic energy or potential energy. We will learn potential energy after that. why kinetic energy is a part of, we talk about electrical energy. In electrical energy, which is moving, when the current is flowing, what is moving in that wire? Can you tell me that?
And the
Electricity.
Electricity. Electricity means who produces electricity in a conductor? Which particle? Protons, neutrons, electrons. Chemistry you have learned, no? You started learning chemistry.
ma'am,
Which?
no, we didn't learn.
Ma'am was not taking now. What she's taking now?
Matter.
Matter.
Metals and
Matter means atom, molecule and all, no? It will come. So, electricity produced is due to motion of electrons. Motion of electrons from an atom. So, our copper wire, this wire, it is inside is a copper wire. So, copper atoms releases electrons whenever it started switching on, and electrons are moving in the wire. That is why current is produced. So, in electrical energy, when you speak, it is the kinetic energy of electron. If you speak about, it is the kinetic energy of electron. For example, we are running. What happened? Our muscular energy is the one converting into kinetic energy, and we are using for us to run. Okay. Similarly, you are doing some work. So it is our muscular energy which is converting into kinetic energy. That is what every action. What about the light? Light is the flow of sunlight. Yes, it's a part of kinetic energy. Because anything which moves has a common energy, that is kinetic energy, and same energy only we are calling electrical energy, sound, and sound is the vibration of the particle. Yes, it's the kinetic energy of the particles which is making the sound to reach you. Understood? So, any particle, any object which is in motion possesses kinetic energy. You got the idea? What do you mean by kinetic energy? So,
Ma'am,
yes. Kisan, you're saying
Yeah.
something?
I told yes.
Okay. Someone in chat box. Yeah, yes, Krishna. You can take the printer notes. 9th standard, you can take the printer notes of the notes. No problem. Yes. So, example of so many things you can write for example. Okay. It is a bullet or moving car, moving vehicles. A boy is running. A boy is walking. I am writing. That means you are writing. You are eating. Wherever there is a movement, these all have kinetic energy. And let us now go to the factors affecting kinetic energy. So, the factors affecting kinetic energy, first factor is our mass. Mass of an object is directly proportional to kinetic energy. Mass of an object is directly proportional to kinetic energy. Mass of the object is directly proportional to kinetic energy. What do you mean by that? Look at, there are 3 teddy bears. Look at the 3 teddy bears I have shown in the picture. Mass of the first teddy bear was m. Second teddy bear was 2m. And third teddy bear was 3m. That is, second one has a double of the mass of the first teddy bear, and the last teddy bear has mass of the triple, 3 times large of mass of the first teddy bear, and first teddy bear is the one which is moving ahead. Okay, so that means more the mass or greater the mass, kinetic energy also will be greater. Greater the mass, greater the kinetic energy. Greater the mass, greater the kinetic energy. And second factor is square of the velocity. Square of the velocity is directly proportional to, or kinetic energy is directly proportional to velocity. Square of the velocity of a moving object. Square of the velocity is proportional to kinetic energy. What do you mean by that?
And your camera is off.
That is by mistake it is going on. I don't know. I am not touching, but it is getting off then and there. I don't know what happened. Okay. Now it's okay. Okay. Okay, so shall we go back again? So these are the two factors which is affecting. One is mass of the object. So kinetic energy directly proportional to mass of the object and directly proportional to velocity. Directly proportional means if mass increases, kinetic energy increases. If mass decreases, kinetic energy also decreases. Similarly, if velocity increases, kinetic energy also increases. And velocity decreases, kinetic energy also decreases. That is what when you have a sports day, so many are running. No, everyone want to reach up to the first point. But who is having more kinetic energy or who is having more speed, that person will come to the finishing point faster. So that is why speed is a factor. Okay, so connecting that, we are going to get how to calculate kinetic energy. Can we calculate kinetic energy? That is, kinetic energy is equal to half into mass into V square. So the equation to calculate kinetic energy is that half into mass into velocity square. Half mv square. So that is equal to kinetic energy. Half into mass into velocity square.
Equation.
Yeah. Equation to find the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy is equal to half mv square. Okay. So shall we do one problem, children?
Yes,
Yes. So simple problem we will do. Later we will do the big problems. Okay. Write the first question, children. Find the kinetic energy of a body with a mass of. Find the kinetic energy of a body with a mass of 10 kg and the speed of 10 meter per second. Very simple one. Find the kinetic energy of a body with a mass of 10 kg and the speed of 10 meter per second square. So first we write the equation half mv square. Mass is given 10 and velocity also given 10. So it is square. So 10 square. 2 and 10 get cancelled. Now can you tell me the final answer? Everyone please do it. Do by yourself. Don't look at the board. Only just do yourself.
Ma'am, 500.
Yeah, 500 joules. Correct. Answer is given 500 joules because 5 into 10 square, 500 joule. Those who completed that, can you do the second problem which is given here?
Yes, ma'am.
How much energy is required to accelerate 1000 kg? How much energy is required to accelerate? Same equation. Mass is given, car mass is given.
And we have to multiply that 1 into 5 into.
1000 into 30 square. Velocity of the car is 30 meter per second. Solve by yourself. Let me see how much is the answer for you. 1000 and divide by 2 do first. Then we can do the remaining one. By that time, let me take your attendance, okay? Everyone please do because I let me take attendance.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, 450.
Student, did you do?
yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Doing, ma'am.
Yes. How much you got, children?
450,000.
Yes, for 50,000. Here you will get 530. 30 means 6. 3 into 3, 90. Yeah. So you will get 5 into 1000 by 2 into 30 square. So you will get 500 here. So 5 into 9 is 45. How many zeros? 0, 0, 30 square. Yes.
Ma'am, 4 zeros.
4 zeros. Correct. 4,50,000. Okay, children. So here I have given answer as 4.5 into 10 to the power of 5 joules. Do you know now how we get it? See, this 4 zeros we can make into powers. So you will get 45 into 10 to the power of 4. Okay. So that way also you can write. Then how do we get 4.5? 4.5 means you have to shift one decimal. Okay. You don't have to write it like this. Just I am teaching you. That's it. Because in physics, we uses these powers. So how it is, you can either stop your writing answer, 4,50,000 joule. But in physics, sometimes if it's a big number, we can write it like that. So either you can write 45 into 10 to the power of joule, or you can either write, how can we get 4.5? If you want to get 4.5, 110 should be in the denominator. So if you put 110 should be in the denominator. In the numerator also, we have to multiply with the 10. So gradually, your answer is going to be 4.5 into 10 to the power of 5 joule. Because gravitation chapter we are used a lot of this. So once we complete the chapter, we will have that kind of problems well. Because when you come to 10th standard, you have to learn this kind of mathematical manipulation. 9th you don't have many problems, but 10th we have many problems. Okay, so that's why. So I hope you understood how I am changed into 4.5 into 10 to the power of 5, because already it has 4 zeros. Now I want to shift decimal there. I have to multiply with 10 and divided with 10. So when divide, it become 4.5, but there is an additional 10 is in the numerator. Then it become 10 to the power of 5 joule.
Ma'am, how we get point? Can you tell once more?
I will tell you once more. See children, in maths, did you study in maths equivalent fraction?
Yes,
For
ma'am.
example, 4 by 3. If you want to make equivalent fraction, what do you do? What we do in maths to make equivalent fraction?
Ma'am, point.
No point. We will do multiply and divide with the same number. Do you remember this?
Yes.
This is we studied in 7th standard. If you want to find out the equivalent fraction of a number, what we do means we will multiply the numerator with the one number. The same number you multiply, divide. So you will get 4 into 8 into 8 by 6. This is what those are not okay with your maths. That's why the problem. Okay. So what I have done is, why this video has problem?
Ma'am, cross multiply.
Cross multiply. Cross multiply, but here we are not doing cross multiply. This is making equivalent fraction. I think 7th standard there's a chapter, equivalent fraction.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
similarly, you got the answer like this. I want to convert it into 4.5 into 10 to the power of 5. So we already have 45 means 45 into 10,000. So make it all these powers into 10 to the power of 4. Correct? We got it. Some problem with that. Now, we already got 45 into 10 to the power of 4. Now, I want to make it 10 to the power of 5. What I do? I have to multiply with a 10 here. But simply we can't multiply. Once you multiply, we also have to divide with the 10. Why? This 10 you cancel, you should get the same answer. So this is max.
Ma'am,
So those-
450,000.
So when you do here, what happened? You will get 45, 0, 0, 0, then 5 zeros come. But there is a 10 here. So what we do? This 10 you divide with the 45, then you are getting 4.5. Then remaining zeros make into 10 to the power of 5 joule. Clear? That's what.
Ma'am.
Don't worry, we will do next time like this. Fizan, because max you are not okay. That's what. This is the basic of max. So higher classes, we have to do a lot of means the manipulation of max like this. Your ma'am is waiting, so I'm just cutting. Okay.